Hello, and welcome to the Bat Cave. I'm Ragnvald, the Powerbook Builder, and we're continuing on with our 66 Lego Batmobile. And this is what we're looking like after six bags. Now we're going to start on bag number 7. Alright, so grab this little piece. And one of these little guys. Alright, so there's that one. We gotta build one more. So now I just gotta do the reverse of that one. Where's my other bunch of little grates? There's my piece I was looking for. Okay, so then these are the bat gas. These are our bat gas cylinder things. Okay, and then these will just pop on the front. Like that. Okay. So now we'll just move over to our next page. Take our little interesting piece. Put that there with a hinge. And that goes on this side. Okay, so yeah, that slides down, and then this slides on top of it. Or at least it's supposed to. Um, well, maybe I got the... Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I just had the wrong side. Okay, so then this one, because you gotta leave the front hole open. There you go, just like that. Okay, and then we'll take this piece, and then we'll take all our little grills, and we'll apply them to this piece. And put that on there. This there. And there you go. And that goes on the front. There you go. Got kind of that, getting that iconic nose look to it. There you go. All right, then that goes over there. This goes over there. Yeah. Now we're starting to look like a front end of a Batmobile. We're starting to, create this iconic shape. Oh, I forgot a couple bits. I think I can still... Oh no. Let's just take a step back, because I got some bits I gotta put on here. Okay. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, I just forgot that little upper lip piece. There we are. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. So, if I have the car this way, this orientates on there like that. Okay. And that's all there is for pack 7. So we just kind of got the nose of the car a little bit more done. So now we'll move on to bag number 8. Seven was a really quick stage or bag. I keep saying stage because I'm used to building those you know, the fan home cars, and they go by stages. So I'm just used to saying that. All right. Kind of spread the pieces out just a little bit so I can see where they're at. Okay. So put the car back this way so that way I can have it orientated toward the book. So we want that piece there, this piece there, with 2 of these here. And then we'll duplicate the other side. Okay, there you go. this there. Same on the other side. Okay. So now need that piece right there. This piece right here. This. One of these. One of these pieces. And this. Okay. Put a little speed bumps in. With our little ramps. And then oh, yeah, put that there. Put this here. Okay. And then put these. Now, I'm just trying to figure out, okay, so they want, yeah, it does go, does it go over the blue? Yeah, I think it does go over the blue. Because in the photo it shows like one red circle, and then if you look at it kind of like this, there's one red circle. And it looks like there's three black dots before this. Oh, and then yeah, there's a then this piece that has the holes in it. It shows that there's a hole open. Right there, there's a hole. So you line up those pieces, leaving that one hole open. Yeah, okay. So got that in the right place. Oh, they only want one on one side. The bat phone. I made a bat phone. Cool. Okay, so now we need this piece, and a grate. And that's our pedal. And then we need this arm, stick, and this black piece. Oops. We don't want the black piece to go all the way through, because we gotta put a cap on that. Okay. So that goes here. Well, the pedal goes here. And then now they're saying to put these on upside down like that into the car, and I don't like that. I think it looks better that way. I think it gives it a cleaner look if it's, you know, pointed down versus pointed up. So I don't know if you can see that. But see, I think that's a cleaner look, having them like that versus having them upside down where the, you know, inside of it is, you know, they got the inside like that. That's the way they wanted it in the instructions. And I don't like that. I think that with it pointed up, like that, that to me is a cleaner look. So that's just the way I'm going to do it. Okay, so now we got to add some bits to the front. Okay. Alright, so then take this. And this. And one of these. And one of these. And then we'll do the same with the other side. And then these are our bat rays. And then these will sit right here. So then I'll sit on there just like that. Okay, so then we want this piece with a yellow lens with one of these. And one of these. And then that sits it's supposed to sit there. Huh. Did I miss something? Or just... Well, maybe it doesn't connect to the bottom. Maybe it just... Yeah, it just connects on the top. Yeah, no, it just connects to the top. It doesn't actually connect into the bottom there at all. Even though you could, if you had an extra tiny little brick, I'm sure you probably could put a tiny little brick in there to make that, make that solid, but they're not asking you to do that, so. Yeah, let's see, there's my little brown piece. I put my brown piece on first, that way I didn't have to fight trying to get it connected this time. Okay, so now we need this. Plug this into here. Oh, not like that. There we go. So you want to make sure the top studs are up. And then put one of our vents on it. And then this piece with two orange things. Slide that in there. And then slide that on there. Have no idea what I'm making. Oh, it's probably a headlight, looks like. Okay. So then okay. Yeah, so it kind of made a headlight. Alright, so that would be this side of the car. So now we need to make the one for this side. So this piece goes there. Oh, the goofy little book is sideways on me, so I can't see the I needed to put these two pieces on here. Yeah, that's the connection I was looking for. I was wondering how those were supposed to connect. It didn't seem like they were going to connect otherwise. Okay, well, I think I got a few too many parts left over. I need to figure out where I might have missed some parts. Because I've got 3 extra pieces and I don't think that they wanted me to have 3 extra pieces. So I used 1 there. Ah, that's where I screwed up. So they did actually want you to have a securing mechanism on this little piece. I thought there was supposed to be something there. There we go. Now we're good. Yeah. Yeah, because I looked at that and I'm like, you can add a piece to it, you know, and make it more stable. And I'm like, thought that was weird that they didn't, but they actually did, and I just missed that step. So this is our last bag for this video. Because we are up to bag 9. And we've got 2 more sets of 3 and then a set of 2 to finish off the car. Alright, so let's start out by putting that piece there on both sides. And then let's see, where do they want? Oh, okay. So then they want me to put a row of them across each side here and the back. So, and I gotta leave 1 stud open. But otherwise I gotta put all these along the side. It says 24 of them. All right, so that's that side. And then I'll finish the back. Alright, so that side's done. So now we'll flip it around and work the other side. Whoops. I kind of messed up my orientation. I was only supposed to leave one stud and I accidentally left two. But they're easy enough to pop loose, so. There we go. Alright, so there we are. We got this side done, and the same on those two sides. So that's 34 of them put in place. So then now we'll go back here. These on. Okay, and then we want that on both sides. And then, let's see, we want this piece. Okay. So now we want to take this piece No, take this piece so that piece goes there. And that piece goes there. Yeah. Okay. And this goes here. That goes here. That goes over there like that. No. Okay. Okay, so I did that part. So now I'm trying to do this part. Okay. Okay, so that. Okay, so then this goes. That goes on there like that. Okay. So then that means this goes over here. And then these two go here. Like that. Okay, and then this is like that. This here. That there. And then this. And this. Okay. I think we're getting there. Sometimes I just gotta slow down and try to understand what they're saying. And then that goes there. That one goes there. And this here. This here. That one. That one. Yeah, again, you know, you use two separate bricks here, and you had a 10-piece right here, and you could have just used one. You could have just used one 10-piece right here and made a clean look instead of you know, having that line there. Oh well, that's the way they wanted it. I personally would have used a 10-piece, but okay, so those two there. Oh wait, I got I gotta finish this, so this goes there, this goes here. you know. Okay. So I kind of almost skipped a step there. Alright, then that goes there. This goes here. This goes here. So all right, now let's see, we'll take these two pieces and put them together. So right now I'm making the iconic wheel arches. And that's all we do for pack 9. So there we go. So we basically got the side of the car looking really nice. Got the wheel arches on there. And then we did a little bit more on the back. So we're getting there. We just got 6, 7, 8 more packs to go, and then we will have it looking just like that. So join me next time in the Bat Cave when we continue with the next 3 packs. Until then, I've been the Dark Knight, Ragnvald the Powerwork Builder. Catch you later.